Are you torn between Google Docs and Obsidian? You are not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular tools to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Google Docs and Obsidian are designed to help you write and organize your thoughts. They allow you to create documents and keep your ideas in one place, but they do have different features and purposes. Let's start with Google Docs. This tool is all about collaboration. You can easily share documents with others and work together in real time. It's user friendly and integrates well with other Google services. You can access your files from anywhere as long as you have internet. Now, let's look at Obsidian. This tool is more focused on personal knowledge management. It allows you to create a network of notes that link to each other. This makes it easier to see connections between your ideas. Obsidian works offline, which is great if you don't always have internet access. When it comes to key differences, Google Docs is more suited for teamwork. It shines in group projects and document sharing. On the other hand, Obsidian is perfect for solo users who want to build a knowledge base. In terms of features, Google Docs offers templates, comments, and editing tools. Obsidian, however, provides Markdown support and a graph view to visualize your notes. As for pricing, Google Docs is free with a Google account, while Obsidian has a free version and a paid option for advanced features. So, who should choose what? If you need to collaborate with others, go for Google Docs. But if you want to organize your ideas and think deeply, Obsidian is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.